Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Guys, I'm here with a prank phone now. And Kimona will help me to execute that prank here. So I did already give her a rundown. So I'm just telling her what I'm gonna do. So basically I'm gonna ask you for some money to do something. Probably if we do something important or whatever the case is, but I'm gonna ask him for some money, and if he agree, if he give me the money, I'm gonna call Kimona, and then I'm gonna make it look like me rip off Jason. So I'm gonna say, girl, saddle up yourself, me get the money, we can't go to the hotel, da 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 da. But I did already explain to Kimona, say, I'm gonna make it look like, say, she a plan to do the same thing with Tamari, our boyfriend, so I make it look like, say, she a plan to do the same thing with Tamari. So I go say, girl, you know, get the money from Tamari yet. Remember, so we don't have much time, you know, da 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 da. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but hopefully it work. You understand what I say? So basically, I'm going to make Jason feel like I rip him off, like I tell him like to get money to do some other stuff. But to make it more believable, I'm going to make him wanna in on the prank with me. Babe?
Yeah?
1 minute. I want to talk to you about something. Something I want to talk to you about.
Well, then. When you click the link, dog, see? When you see come up, you see download or you see play. And you have to tell me what you see, then we can know what to tell them.
That's something I want to talk to you about.
Yeah, that's all of yourself for. You ready?
I love you.
You have nothing to tell me?
No.
You been ready for the word?
Baby, I just want to talk to you about something before.
So we couldn't talk me where I go. Remember say that place I got that chair, you know, and you know what yesterday. See there now. Stay on.
Not me there?
Yeah, if not, you don't got to take it out.
That's something you didn't want.
What do you want?
Promise me, see, I will say yes, baby.
So if you promise you, I'm going to say something that you know you want.
Can you?
What?
Can you? $30,000?
For the what?
Or probably 40.
I know how so much can I give you. Where you want so much money for?
Alright, give me 30.
I don't have so much can I give you, baby. That's all still. Right, you don't want to do
Babe,
business.
I want if you do something important, babe.
Okay, I don't have so much right now. Can I give about 10?
I will never get you rice.
We can get 10 now and 10 on my machine.
No, I said I want 30, 10 and 10.
I can give you 20, I don't have all 30, so may I give you a makeup? Ain't that better than I give you a car?
But I thought I made it originally want.
It's not about what you want, baby, what I have can give you.
How much you say you have for you now?
10, and I can drive 10 on the machine, we have other stuff good where you know, so I can't give you 140.
So you make me get 20?
Yeah. You know better than I get none.
Yeah, I know, but my money when me have.
What
So
do
me
you?
already have half my money already, so the next half me ask her for. Which would I next half of 40. In all, me have 40 already, but me want 40 more. So me love if I could have like let me get 30.
Iandra, I don't have the 40. I can give you 20. I have stuff to do with the money on the road which you know of. Therefore, I cannot give you the 40 because I'm going to fall short on those stuff which you know are very important. You understand now? I don't have all of it. Zane, but I can give you 20.
You have everything now? I want to go on the road again
I
next
think you're in
time.
the car. You want it now? So you could just wait till the car?
No, I want to know because I want to put it with my rest of money.
Alright.
So when I put it with that, at least give me more motivation so me I reach it more.
Whatever you say, I don't know what you explain to me.
What the hell? Come on, I pick up the phone here. Guys, I'm trying to keep on before Jason come back in so you can catch the conversation. Girl,
Don't
the
cry
money,
to me.
girl.
Cry to God. Cry to Jesus.
Where's that? It's so come down. Where's that?
Is it the one with the room?
Yeah. Where's that? Girl. Where are the Kim? You wanna Kim
Where you borrow money from me? I know me hear you on phone. I say, girl, me get the money.
You can't know all of your conversation. Wait, Kim wanna give me something private.
No, but this ask you, babe.
Babe, just one.
No, this so.
No, babe, just one.
Wait till us to get the
Oh,
You say yeah? No.
yo.
No, wait till you so we can tell Kamari as well.
We're like, come on, we get there. You wanna like what you think. You wanna like what you think.
Babe,
I don't like what you think.
babe, you know something? I have things to pay for right now.
Babe, I don't like what you think. A difference of me and Kim talk about.
No, she just said, when you tell me that you can tell Tamari the same thing. So we will call Tamari and ask and find out. Because we don't have planned some kind of thing.
No, babe. I don't like what you think, but babe, thanks. Babe.
No, babe.
Yeah, I really
I really
need-
want. Let's go on.
I really need the money to
For-
do something
for what?
important.
What? You can't tell me, babe, me live.
Babe, my life on debt, babe.
Life and death, babe. No, hold on, pause. Life and death, what?
Jason,
Like, what me having as a life
that's
and
something me I gonna get done with it.
What?
You know, would I never trick you?
Maybe not know that. I'm going to vouch you. I'm take out the matter out of your
Yeah, I
eye.
thought me know.
So keep still, no? You want me to send up on your big babe matter, babe, stay still, lady.
Babe, and something important.
Babe, me and you live together, why you can't
Babe,
tell me?
and something
Alright, hang up
important
the phone.
and it's girl stuff. Babe, I'm time to kick him and tell me something.
No, me want to talk.
Kim wanna tell me something.
No, you so long you can't call back, Kim wanna.
Kim, babe, what's my talk? Because the person's phone
I'm
gone.
going to go in the bathroom and put
Yeah.
No.
Babe, let me grab my
No. So what, babe, no, what's up? Oh, what, why girl stuff? Me and live together. Me buy pad for you already. You can't get no more girl than that. Why girl stuff for me need to know about?
Babe, I Kim wanna be, Kim wanna do,
Kim
Kim don't want nobody to know.
Kim wanna.
You don't want nobody to know,
So
right?
Kim wanna make my money from
It's
me.
like Kim wanna want it.
So what?
Excuse.
Yo, you're not gonna wait. Yeah, why girl stuff? Why life and data? That bother me. Yes, something
Babe,
did wrong and you can't tell me.
the money here, me go put it on the rest of money when me have in all want 80.
You do what,
But
babe?
now me only end up
You do what?
50 or 70 I gonna give me.
Answer the question of the what?
Babe, what's something?
You say life and the babe, so suppose we can't help you, babe. We say life and the like, and you're not really said something serious, you said to me.
Alright, and I really like one.
So you're life and...
Alright, but I something me see when I want.
No, you like me now, so we know, we need...
Something what me want.
What that you cannot ask me for money, you know, me not have it, you ever use this other stuff right now. What?
Me go put it in.
Babe,
Put it in.
babe, you know, babe.
Babe, what are your friends about talk to you? Me not coming in your conversation, you know?
You, you're the hijacker, you. Yo, babe, hang up the phone, babe, hang up the phone. Babe, you said to me say a life and the situation.
Babe, alright.
Babe.
Babe, I'll be honest.
Me have to tell them what
Babe,
something
me
I'm
gonna
not
be
dealing with right
honest.
now.
No, me Yes.
So be honest and stop lying now.
That's what me say what I want.
What?
I want one set, one computer table set.
Babe, you know how I'm to you? Me have table around this. You have a better computer this time, baby. Better chair. So what we need to understand? What you want?
You don't understand, Jason.
Who you buy it for?
Myself.
What you
Me can take my call, please.
No.
Just let me take my call
You
now,
alright,
please.
I don't know another life on it.
What you keep on that video? Stop now.
Another life, give me. Babe, the two life. Babe, come. Give me back my money. Give me back my
Baby,
money.
take
You
my
can't
money
wait.
for your woman.
You know business, you can't wait.
You're not married to me and give me money.
Well, don't marry to me then. Don't marry to me then, baby. I lie, baby. Come to me. Give me back your money. Give me back your money,
This
babe.
year, but embarrass me, make him on the ear.
So why you keep on answering call? Me care about that? Babe, me have...
Listen, please, me, I beg you.
Bro,
You know you have
I have me things I feel do, babe, and you have...
I already
Yo, if any answer for me, I got embarrassing. Me bet you. Me bet you. You can't answer that because...
Stop now. Babe, listen.
Babe, what the issue? Babe, what the issue? Babe, what the issue? Me know business, who you want to talk to? I could have business ring. Oh, if you go to my man know, say me want somebody to see my idea, I get money and I can't have teeth and I tell me about life and it. One bag of mix up story. I'm believe not what you say.
Come on now.
Bro, I have everything them to pay for you.
Kim.
You know me have a license
Let
to
me
go
just
here.
tell you, I already tell my friends here.
I have my insurance to renew, babe, and yeah, what's some of the money we know, sir? That way I have a buy can't wait. Am I unreasonable?
Kim, put your something them together. Yes. I forgot.
I forgot where.
Oh, nothing.
Babe, give me money. Give me money.
Babe,
Give me money. Give me money.
Kim, I'm
Yeah.
gonna put in your earbud, but
Yeah.
just never put
Give me
in.
the money.
Cheers, let me
Babe, you can't let me have it here. Give me money. Give me money. Okay? Listen up. Listen up. You're going to come tell me about married like me there, so I'm married to criminal. You're criminal. Where the money go so fast? Bro, you would.
Hello, and that's a give me, no right yourself. And that's a care come here, come give me, no 10 that.
Then you what's that? Watch out.
You say you only have 10. Jason, that you give me. Jason, that you give me.
No, I'm afraid of you, babe.
And that you give me.
Babe.
Babe, that you give me, no move. Bro, you not even have to say that, because you know more than never take your money. Don't do that. Kim. Babe, she just said she gonna call the hotel place and I'm sure she talk to. Kim and me I talk to. Oh, a Tyra. A Tyra you talk to.
Yeah, tell your me.
Oh, not me. Or somebody there for a house. You should talk to somebody over a house. Babe, somebody over a house. I'm putting my earbud. Because I get this thing all twisted now, babe. You see? Miscommunication. Babe, this is a way. Babe, this is a way you tell me all the time about miscommunication. You see, she talk to somebody and it look like me. Come on now. All you do, just put your stuff them together until tomorrow is the same thing.
Girl, me for curry, but it's one more waiting until tomorrow. That's it.
Tell him
You know, I'm going to a little dream trip, you know. Because, you know, my funny part is when you go to you're going to leave the key and you're not coming back. I don't know what kind of style is your crap, you're basically...
Call tomorrow, we soon call them back here.
You know, you have one man who will get anything outside the day to give him the money. That's how low you stoop. You know, I'm a friend. That's so low you stoop. They can't keep it there. It no matter if for me I will broke down tomorrow. Be good. They can't keep it. No man, they can't keep it, man. No, they use so
they you give me this and ask me where is that money there? Are you a real general?
Thief from thief, God laugh.
So you thief from me, say give me a make it look like a 10. Babe, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Babe, I take back 2 already. Babe, this is 6, this is is what you gave me. Well, me never eat you give me, but me not.
You wouldn't know because though you're glad for pull off the highest of the year off of me. You wouldn't even know how much me give.
Maybe it's a prank.
No man, you're wicked man.
No, it's a prank.
You're wicked man.
Maybe it's a
No,
prank.
you know. You're a criminal. You're a thief. You're a thief.
Baby, it's a prank.
No baby me, you know.
Baby.
No, baby me, you know.
Baby, why you wanna hurt me so bad?
You see, you know, bro.
You can't get it 20G when you're willing to give me?
Bro, you see, you know.
Babe, can I-
You're on a chocolate. That's how I can do. You're really creamy.
Babe, we can't get it 20G because you're willing to give me 20G a while ago.
Can we leave out that I can reach to the place before 3 o'clock? That I don't have to hear you in my ears for the rest of the weekend telling me that I should have done it on Friday. Thank you.
You can't get that money the way.
No! No!
Look at once me think my prank fail. The prank nearly backfire in so many ways, but it worked. I think it worked. Comment below and let me know if it worked, because how many plan for Jace to find out it never work out like that. And me never did know so me not gonna get the full money, but him willingly give me 20 grand. That's why I love my baby. Anything me ask, I get it.
But them words, yeah. Don't cry to me. Cry to God. Cry to Jesus. Don't that.
What is he saying? What is he saying? But guys, I think that was a good one. That was a good one. It nearly never worked out, but it worked out. Wanna get that? It worked, but it never worked. But Kimwana did understand the assignments. I'm hoping I did that hear her. When she figured out that it didn't work out like how we did a plan, she still did that 1 and 2 stuff to get under Jace's skin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100K. Bye guys.